Welcome back. I'm D-Dot Serves and I'm here to serve you. Appreciate you guys for stopping back by once again, man. It's always appreciated on my end. If you guys have not subscribed yet, do that right now, okay? Today I'm gonna be real quick, man. I wanted to go into an item that I recently, well, it's been a few years since I actually been able to source something like this, but this particular item, this time, it was given to me, are these Hi8 video camcorder cassette tapes, all right? We talking vintage stuff here, man, all right? I know the new generation, you're probably looking at this and wondering what this is. This is what people used to put inside of camcorders, all right? Something this big, all right? So check it out. A few years ago, I was able to find them. Been knew about these, but sometimes these are hard to find. This was given to me by a family member. I actually was able to get about 56 of them, all right? So again, you find these out, and yes, these are used. Forgot to mention that. These are used, okay? So I'm gonna get right into the video for you guys, let you know how much money I made. All right, first up, we got the used Sony Hi8 MP video tapes, all right? 120/60, a lot of 16, all right? Got the red label on that, all right? I did piece together 2 lots of 16 on those tapes, all right? This one is the first one. I ended up getting $44.45. I made the buyer pay for shipping, okay? That's the first one up. Next, we got a lot of 3, all right? This was a totally different brand. This was TDK. Same pretty much quality as far as Hi8, minute time and whatever. But anyway, it was 3 of them that I had, so I went ahead and lotted those up together, and I was able to get $17.71 buyer pay for shipping, all right? We're talking used video cassette tapes, all right? Next up, that was the last lot of 16, okay? Was able to get $46.59. Buy also pay for shipping, okay? So once again, man, just want to tap in real quick, show you guys, man, something that you may be able to find at possibly an older family member's home, like grandparents, uncles, something like that, that was in that era where they were using this on the daily, man. I still remember my dad going everywhere with this big old camera, catching all the family moments, man. Now we're doing it with the smallest, you know, smallest of camera, all right? With our cell phones. So check this out. You guys see these at estate sales. I catch sometimes in the bins, but it's been a very long time since I caught them in the Goodwill outlet bins. These video cassette tapes, they will sell. They're easier to sell if it's in a big lot, all right? 16 or better, or just 11 or better. I think I do have 2 listed at 11 as well. But those haven't sold yet. I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell sometime this week because it's been up for about a week and a half. And I pretty much do have it promoted. I promote all my listings because I never run sales in my store. Sales never worked out for me, but promoting my listing always works out. I end up selling some of the strangest things. I won't even, sorry, not gonna say strange because I don't want to say that I'm selling strange things to my customers, but I do sell some very unique items sometimes that sometimes I just wonder, like, you know. But so, with that being said, man, get out there. You see these, man, estate sales, garage sale, yard sales, whatever. Goodwill outlet bins, Goodwill outlet. Even if you catch some of these brand new in the Walmart clearance aisles or something like that, grab them. These are cheap to get. A lot of times, man, I remember one time I did find some at an estate sale. It was the last day of the estate sale, and I think it was about me and maybe 2 other people that was left in the house just walking around. So I was slowly taking things to the front door, you know, where they set their little, you know, point of sale at, or whatever, towards the front door. Pretty much what ended up happening was I asked the lady, because she had it listed, I think it was 75 cents a piece, and she had a big, huge box of them. And I asked her, I said, man, would you take a quarter for them each? And she looked at me, and she said, matter of fact, this is the last day. You can go ahead and just take that with whatever you're buying today. It's free. So believe it or not, like I said, I was able to make $250 just from going to a estate sale. And I don't even remember how much I spent that day at the estate sale. It didn't even matter because I already knew I was walking out the door with gold, all right? Until next time, peace.